And an important question, what triggers asthma attacks in children? Well, triggers can be due to allergens. What are some examples? So, pollen, dust mites, pet dander, o yung mga pets nyo dyan. Another trigger can be from respiratory infection. So, like a common cold can be a trigger for asthma. As I've mentioned, physical activity as well, or with exercise. Cold air, so with the change in weather, the cold air can induce an asthma attack. And smoke is a common trigger of asthma. That is why it is important na i-identify nyo kung ano ang triggers ng asthma attack ng anak nyo so that you will try to avoid it to prevent further attacks. This is important in managing your child's asthma.